birthday. So what did Minnie do? Minnie, when was Minnie born? Minnie was born in the month of July on 3rd in the year 2011. So what did she do? She was born in the year 2011. She celebrated her birthday in the year 2015. So after how many years she is celebrating her birthday? She is celebrating after 5 years. So you two all celebrate at home, yes or no? The first thing is that you should all know when is your birthday, on which day you are born and in which year you are born. If someone asks you, you must be able to tell your birthday. So when you go home today, you ask your parents and just keep it in your mind that when you are born. It is very necessary to know. Okay? So in your houses also, what do your parents do? After 5 years, they celebrate your birthday with a very grand party. ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? ನಿಮ್ಮನೆಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? 5ನೇ ವರ್ಷದ ಬರ್ತ್ಡೇ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಮನೆಯಾಗ ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಬರ್ತ್ಡೇನ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಅದೇ ತರ ಮಿನ್ನಿ ಕೂಡ ಮಿನ್ನಿ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಆಕೆ ಬರ್ತ್ಡೇನ 5ನೇ ವರ್ಷದ ಬರ್ತ್ಡೇ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ they celebrated her birthday and she felt it like a princess because after 5 years she is getting celebrated with a grand party. So in every year who celebrate ಅದು ಅಷ್ಟು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ಸೋದಿಲ್ಲ. If you give a long gap and if you celebrate the birthdays very grandly, so you feel something special. ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? ಒಂದು 4 ವರ್ಷ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಒಮ್ಮೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬರ್ತ್ಡೇನ ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಖುಷಿ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ? ಬಹಳ ಖುಷಿ ಅನಿಸ್ತೈತಿ. ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಇನ್ವೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಕರೀಲೇನು ಇವ್ರನ್ನ ಕರೀಲೇನು ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಖುಷಿಯಿಂದ ಮನ್ಯಾಗ ಓಡಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಎಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ? ನನ್ನ ಬರ್ತ್ಡೇ ಐತಿವತ್ತ, ನೀ ನನ್ನ ಬರ್ತ್ಡೇಗೆ ಬಾ, ಕೇಕ್ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ ನಾನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಇವಾಗ ಖುಷಿಯಿಂದ ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಖದಾಗ ಬೇರೆನೇ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. ಸೊ ಯು ಫೀಲ್ ಮೋರ್ ಎಂಬ್ರಾಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ಯೋರ್ celebration. So now knew that 3rd was her birthday. 2 months later, she heard her mother telling her father, tomorrow is 3rd and we have to give everyone their salaries. Please withdraw cash from the bank before you come home this evening. So, after 2 months, our mummy ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು? ಮಿನ್ನಿ ಅವ್ರ ಮಮ್ಮಿ ಮಿನ್ನಿ ಅವ್ರ ಮಮ್ಮಿ ಅವ್ರ ಪಪ್ಪ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಏನಂತ? tomorrow is 3rd, so we have to pay everyone's salary, so please withdraw cash from the bank before you come this evening. So ನೀವು ಆಫೀಸಿಂದ ಬರುವಾಗ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅನ್ನು ವಿತ್ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ರಿ. Minnie got excited. It was 3rd again, so she would be celebrating her birthday. She began dreaming of new frock, cake and many gifts. So what happened? She again started dreaming about her celebration, wearing a new frock, cutting the cake, receiving many gifts. Okay, ಈ ತರ ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬರ್ತ್ಡೇ ಸಮೀಪ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನೀವು ನೀವು ಈ ತರ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರಿ. ಪಪ್ಪ ಕೇಕ್ ತಗೊಂಬರ್ರಿ, ಮಮ್ಮಿ ಕೇಕ್ ಮಾಡು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರ್ತೀರಿ. ಹೌದಾ? ಅದೇ ತರ ಮಿನ್ನಿ ಕೂಡ ತನ್ನ ವಿಚಾರನ ಆಕಿ ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ಲು. That day when she went to school, she invited all her friends to come on her house the next day for a party. So what happened? What did Minnie do? When she went to school, she invited her friends to come to her home for the party. The next evening, all her pleasure seeing the children. So ಮನ್ಯಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ನೀವು ಮನ್ಯಾಗ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಮಂದಿ ಕೂಡಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಏನಾಕೈತಿ ಮಮ್ಮಿ ಖುಷಿಯಿಂದ ಇರ್ತಾಳ ಇಲ್ಲ. So in the same way Minnie's mother also was surprised seeing the children in the home. So what Minnie requested her mother, please get the cake, so I'll cut the cake. Mummy could not understand, so Minnie explained, today is 3rd, I heard you telling Papa, so it is my birthday. Her mother then understood what Minnie had done. She quickly arranged for parties, party food and games, and all the children enjoyed themselves. So ಇವಾಗ ಮಮ್ಮಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದಂದ್ರೆ ಮನೆಗೆ ಕರೆದ ನಂತರ ಮಮ್ಮಿ ಏನೋ ಅರ್ಜೆಂಟ್ವಾಗಿ ಏನೋ ಮಮ್ಮಿ ಸ್ನ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸೊ ಕೇಕನ್ನು ಇದು ಮಾಡಿ ಬೇಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಗೇಮ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಶಿ entertained all the Minnie's friends. But Minnie did not cut the cake. Why? Because it was not her birthday. That night, Mom and Dad explained the concept of the year to Minnie with the help of a calendar. So, every month ನಿಮ್ಮ birthday ಆ ಡೇಟಿಗೆ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಹೌದಾ? You are born on a particular month and a particular date. ಹೌದಾ? You are born with the in particular month. ಇವಾಗ you are maybe someone is born tomorrow itself on the New Year day, January 1st. ಹೌದಾ? But can you celebrate your birthday every month on 1st of each month? No. Why? Because you are born in a particular month, that is you are born in the month of January. So January ಬಂದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬರ್ತ್ಡೇನ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ. So you have to wait for the month to occur. ಹೌದಾ? Every month ಆ ಡೇಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬರ್ತ್ಡೇ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. So what their parents did, Minnie's parents, so to make her understand, they took the calendar ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡು ಕ್ಯಾಲೆಂಡರ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ನಿಮ್ದು ಮಂತ್ ಯಾವುದು, ಯಾವ ಡೇಟಿಗೆ ನಿಮ್ದು ಇದು ಬರ್ತೈತೆ ಅಂತ ಹಂಗೆ ಆ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಕಿಗೆ ತಿಳಿಸಿ ಹೇಳಿದರು. We all have calendars at home. A calendar shows us the day and the date of every month. ಹೌದಾ? So everyone has a calendar in their house. Why we require calendar? Because to know what day is today, what day is tomorrow, which month is going to end and which month is going to start. Howda? Today we are going to end with the 2020 from tomorrow, that is from the midnight itself. You are going to start with the new year, that is 2021. So you welcome the new year 2021, or you are today by 12 p.m. in the night you are going to end with the 2020. So calendar is something where it helps you to know which all the holidays are there, what are the particular dates, when is full moon day, ಈಗ ನೀವು ಹುಣ್ಣಿಮೆ ಯಾವಾಗ, ಅಮಾವಾಸ್ಯೆ ಯಾವಾಗ. ಸೊ ಈ ಥರ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಯಾಲೆಂಡರ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಕ್ಯಾಲೆಂಡರ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಮಾಹಿತಿಯನ್ನು ಸಿಗ್ತೈತಿ, ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ 12 months in a year. So as all you know, you are learning it from the beginning of the days. So ನೀವು UKG, LKG, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೀ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗಿಂದ ನೀವು months of year, how many months are there in a year, how many days are there in a week. So this is all not new for you all. So you have already studied how many months are there in a year and how many months we have in a year. So how many months we have? We have 12 months in a year. How that? 12 months in a year. How many days? You have 7 days in a week, right? So here I did not explain you more because as you know everything. So it is January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, will ask grandpa, how many seconds in a year? Some months have 30 days and some have 31. February has only 20 days, 28 days. After every 4 years, February takes a leap and adds a day to itself. So, ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಂತಿಗೂ except February, all the months have 30 to 31 days. So, February is the only month where it has 28 days. So, every 4 years, it has 1 day extra, that is, it gets 29 days. So, it is called as a leap year. So, it is called a leap year. There are totally 365 days in a year. We have worksheet part. Okay, thank you.